are heading over to the Lone Mountain. I'm already tired. So if you're ever in the forest, don't eat this one. So we have arrived to the Skaņais Kalns, or how you can say it in English, Lone Mountain. So the path is around 6 kilometers long and it's gonna take you around 2 hours. Hopefully it's not gonna be raining today. It's pretty dark already. So this is the place where you can buy the tickets, and also you can get inside with your car, and 2 euros for the students and 3 euros for the adults. And if you want to drive in the car, it's actually 10 euros. First step is gonna be Werewolf Pine, nature. We're also gonna do some drone shots from the riverside.
He's afraid to be in forest.
I'm not afraid.
This is a forest.
I'm not afraid. There is no ticks over here. Everything is safe. We're gonna check the panties off after the trail is gonna end. Rather, we found the rabbit hole. So the nature looks like this. And the whole path is gonna go. What's the river's name? Mazsalaca, yeah? Mazsalaca river. We are filming with DJI Mini Osmo 4. We have a little waterfall. Little waterfall! Oh! The biggest waterfall in the whole Latvia, by the way. I think this is the Wolverine pine, right? I guess so, yeah. So yeah, these pine trees are looking really interesting here. I don't know what causes that, but probably you have to look into. Boo Boo is hiding again. I think these are the Wolverine pines, yeah. The nature here looks completely untouched. You can get lost. Here is like multiple paths which you can go.
I hope you know where we're going.
Hell no. Hell no.
I mean, technically, if we follow the river, we cannot get lost, right?
Yep. We can get bitten by the ticks. That's all. Or snake. Or the bears also. We have overpopulation in Latvia with the bears right now. They're trying to get rid of them. But I always bring the honey with me, so I'm already tired. After 12 hours of work, I'm here, walk in the forest for 10 minutes and I need retirement. Oh, we have a little trail here, and then we have a trail over there. So we have absolutely zero clue where we have to go, but okay, we're gonna split out directions. You have a beautiful tree. This is the Latvian national tree. I'm joking. Oh, you have a bird, by the way. And also, if you I showed in the start, you can also take the short trail, which takes you directly back where we came from directly to the end point. So you can just take the shortcut. It's gonna be around like half an hour of walk, or with the car just 5 minutes. So. Now we are getting closer to the Angel Cave.
And here we also have some locals.
Yeah, local fishermen. Let's ask if something is catching. Kaut kas ķērās savai? Nav neko noķēruši. Uz līdakām, ja?
Uz visu.
Yeah, that was the angel cave when we asked the fishermen if something is catching. They said only one. Don't know how long they were sitting there. Dream stairs, yeah. Professional English person. Should we eat this one? Who is the mushroom specialist? Dream stairs. Oh no. Next we're gonna have the Devil's Cave, yeah. I can work as a translator also in Latvia now. I don't even know how you call it. Strasts in Latvian language. No, I guess you can just go in then just dream about something which never comes true, right? The dream stairs is over there in the end of the trail. I don't even know what does this mean to be.
Take off.
Make sure tas nesanāca. Man te kaut kas ir. La 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 la. The best view of the day. I can see nothing. We have a cliff there. Probably there is going to be the Devil's Cave. No, the Devil's Cave is going to be closer though. So we have been walking for an hour and I'm tired. Oh, and we have a stairs again to the Devil's Cave. Like a shredder. The stairs disappeared. That was the shortest stairs in the whole area. Oh, okay, we are here, I guess. Yeah, I'm probably breathing like a smoker, who I am, but no. So this is like a Devil's Cave, yeah. Nice. Yep, I forgot my flashlight though.
If I don't come back, you remember us.
Don't be scared.
Wait, it's actually so deep.
Yeah, I forget my flashlight on my Osmo, but so this is the Devil's. We're inside of Devil's Cave.
Oh my god, it's so big.
That's what she said. Well, I'm probably breathing heavily. Nobody's gonna watch this video. I have to stop breathing heavily.
Turn the flashlight. This side. That side. Yes.
I don't know what she's doing, but she's making a photo or something.
And another one.
Stop telling me to stop moving. I'm a bad man. I'm a bad man. I think this is a witch house. Yeah. You have to climb up, go inside. This is a perfect place for you and your family. Oi.
This looks like a workout.
This looks really scary. I am too old, I have to hang on this one. Yeah. Yep. There is multiple places you can go here. So here we go. I don't even know how you can translate this one in English, but you have a skābuma baļa. Gonna go over there. She's probably too slow, right? Yep. I'm already sweating out, but yeah. This Osmo 4 Pocket 4 is actually really comfortable. I forget though. I did forget the extra battery, so hopefully it's gonna last till the end. But If not, then we're just gonna stop there and maybe try to record with the phone. Yep, we are going to the Skaņais. I don't know how it's in English. I think we are going backwards though. Well, at least we can see the beautiful view again from the Mazsalaca city. Riverside moda. Okay, this one is the Skaņais. You can drink the. Alright, yeah, you can drink the water on here. You can take a cup, a silver, real silver, which is really dirty though. You can take this one here and take a sip over here. Let's move forward. Then you can all the time see some cliffs here. I think it's a peaceful place to go on fishing. Dwarf Devil's Pulpit. That's a Devil's Pulpit. Huh, okay. We have another sitting point. Damn! We need a little break. And I guess we are really smart. We didn't take our drink, right? So as you can see, the nature is taking everything back to itself. We have a little cliff here. Easy slide down. There's no blueberries, and there is blueberries here. We have some blueberries here. We can go and sell them a little bit. What the hell is this? If you want to read, I'm just gonna press it here. I'm not gonna read all of it. Here we go. Oak, but rootish is, you know, the Snow White and the 7 little guys. Snow White's little 7 guy oak here, somewhere here, next to this big. There is an oval sitting on the top as well. We are going end of the forest trail here.
Camping.
Yeah, this is the perfect place for you. Yeah, to take some. Before you come here, you take some drinks. You can also grill some barbecue over here. Of course, I always take everything back with you, you know. Don't be a pig. And here you can also come inside with the car. In the summer season you have to pay, I think, like €5, and you can come inside with the car. And this is the end game. As you can see, we have a lot of activities for the children or for the old children. You afraid?
It's not so easy.
It's not so easy. Okay. I'm walking on both of them. Well, I'm not breaking in them. Brother, this is the best relaxing spot ever. Well, that's pretty cool. Of course you have to go lay in. Don't break it. He's staying here though, and then she's coming. Oh. We are done. We are done with the trail. It took us around 2 hours. Hope you enjoyed the video, boys and girls. Tell me where we should go next one.
I have a question for you.
You, what's up?
What was the best part of everything? What you enjoyed the most?
Mushrooms and ticks.
What mushrooms?
A lot of ticks. My cheeks is full of ticks. But no, it's beautiful. Silent.
My favorite part was the fresh air.
Really fresh. But yeah, it's nice. Always go connect with the nature. And see you in the next one.